It's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Okay, we mainly do the proper bikes. That's pre-99s, which are the best, believe me. Look at the way they're going up and how much these new bikes are coming down. You buy one brand new CVO, 45 grand, the next year it's worth 25. Hello, why would you buy one, you idiots? Anyway, Evos going up a grand a year at least. Fantastic buys. This particular item is an Evo Derby cover, clutch cover, whatever you want to call it. Okay. The crazy thing is, these are the bolts. So you got all these dummy bolts, and when this is on your bike, you do have to remember which three it is. Okay, that's the only catch for this. Beautifully made, custom chrome, solid aluminium. Don't think they're CNC, but they are cast and then machined looking at them. But if you want an Evo stuff, I will give you a quick look at what we do. Okay, here's all your oils. We got all your primaries, your S&S oils for your trannies. If you've got a big motor in your S&S, etc. You know, all your different oils, primary oils, fully synthetic, V-spec, mineral. We've got classic TT. We've got fully synthetic RevTech. We've got Putaline for Indians. We've got all this kind of gear. Then we got seats for all your bikes. We've got Evo seats. We've got nitrous kits, because they will take it. Okay. Bags and bags. Shock upgrades, exhaust, God help us, the LAFs, louders, whatever you want to call it. Exhaust, not my cup of tea, but everyone loves them. And you can see here, we got all different footrests, hand grips, etc. going on. Single-sided swinging arm for an Evo or a twin cam. Hyperchargers, grips, God knows, I mean, masses of gear. Proper brake upgrades for your Evos, okay? Evos rule in my eyes. These are your upgrades for the brakes. Harrison 6, your Ultima 4s, Billet 4s as well. Masses of upgrades. This one here is obviously very cool. This gets rid of your shitty, and I mean shitty, original Harley rotor where the magnets come off, as you can see here. This is what happens. This one here is stainless steel, shielded in stainless steel, which means the magnets can't come off. FXR Speedo drive there. We've got master cylinder covers. We've got, you know, switch gear covers, all this, different master brake units and all that. Nitrous again, different lights. Harley clearance. Most of this is for the newer bikes. Billet wheels, you know, which are Evo as well. All your slip-on mufflers, the old school mufflers. More Kuriakin stuff. Mainly baggers, flagpoles, etc. All this kind of gear. All your mirrors, your indicators, turn signals, whatever you want to call them. Speedos, etc. Offset kits if you want to put a big tyre on to destroy the handling. Okay, we've got here Evo motor, that's an FXR. We've got some billet wheels off a PC. Well, not billet, but aluminium. We got the Imperial, no, they're metric. They shouldn't even be here, but we do the Imperial version of these Allen keys. These are fault leg covers. More billet wheels, discs, saddlebag extensions, brake pads, etc. 145 cubic inch Sportster cases, believe it or not, but they are. These are your tools for getting off the nuts on your Evos and your twin cams, your late 07 ups. S&S motors, big ball pistons, heads, you know, pretty well everything. Roller rockers, breathers, stronger clutches, you know, diaphragm springs. You can see the roller rockers there. They're different valve springs, much better high lift. Plus different manifolds, Carl Speed Shot and various others, S&S. Evo motor there with the Mikuni. Oil pump upgrades. Zippers kits. Big ball pistons. This is the Jim's cassette stuck inside an early Evo. Okay, so this is a tapered shaft, but it is a Jim's tapered shaft, so it'll be strong. Delcron primaries. Different air filters, Super B carburetors. Obviously, you've seen the Mikunis. Different brakes. You know, you got the Harrisons again. Got some Willwoods. This is a drive side brake, the one at the back there. That means that you can have the brake and the pulley on the same side. These are pretty essential upgrades if you're going to tune your bike. These are your oil coolers, okay? These are your shovel and very early Evo starter motors with a built-in gearbox sort of thing on the end, okay? This is a big high torque one. You can see here, oil coolers, pretty cool. It's an oil cooler, and it's also got the gauging as well, okay? Different grips, masses of grips, 6-pot brakes again, different upgrades, old style FXRT chrome switchgear, gas tanks. Pretty well anything you're ever going to need for biking, from gun vests up to, you know, say gun vests. They're great for putting your thermos flasks or whatever else you want. It's obviously officially made for firearms. And these normally have the big pockets inside. Yeah, that's your gun pockets again, which go right back. More stuff here. Kiriakin gear again. We keep masses of tuning stuff for these bikes. We've got big valves, you know. These are the hooker headers stepped inside, very good for power, okay, like Carl Speed Shop used to use. So, if you're interested in any great stuff, you want a bike shop that does your older bikes, we can service them as well, but we are a bit stuck at the moment. I'll be honest, there's only me here doing that kind of stuff. And although I can do a good job, it's just bloody time, to be honest with you. So if you want any Evo gear, God's bike, definitely. The FXRs especially, the baggers I love. You know, softtails are cool as well. But if you want the gear, give us a shout. CustomCruisers.com, or the new one, CustomCruisers.eu, is having a lot more stuff put on. And also, if you're interested, email me, sales@CustomCruisers.com, or call 01773 835 666. Thank you.